here we are at Doddington Road level crossing in Lincoln. Quick window view. I'll put it in the dashboard. This whole crossing when I'm not good to go. Now to the dashboard view. So we'll have loads of bikes in the way. Just look at the lights. Zoom in a little bit. Got them lights there, we've got a bit of moulding on. Look at it, it's all green on the top. Horrible. God, that was a dramatic closure. Doing. Very out. Just however we've got to take this crossing. This will be uploaded today. Let's quickly look at the Adidas. 16:30 on the 27th of July. It will be uploaded today. Just telling people what we're watching. Now, which way is this train coming from? I've not got a pedestrian view of this crossing yet, but let's have a look at the dial on the barrier. You see? There's a red dial there, I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a red dial in the angle of where the barrier is. It's on all the barriers. Galley gates are rusting off as well. Look at that. Filthy. First Network Rail don't fix the crossings, and then they leave them dirty. I'll just balance the camera on the dashboard here. The camera will not stand up, so I'll have to hold it. Just gone 2 minutes. Exactly. Crossing's been down for more than 2 minutes and 10. So I had to turn off the stereo first. That would interrupt it quite a lot. Ooh, we've only got a few people waiting. That's away. It's a brake liner. Just making me get dizzy. Oh. Actually, it's just closing now. Might not be it. I haven't put it in gear yet. Oh. You get the view that we had before. Lights and crossing. Now we've got the small ends here. We are. This will obviously be going through town. Right, we're 4:33. Sorry. Lights are off and gates are fully up. Already 3 minutes and 18. I'm getting a bit of backache. So I'm going to lean forward in the seat to hold this camera on the dashboard. And don't get out the massage on these. So this isn't it all. Right, I'll switch down now for that flake. Put it in neutralising. This one might just be coming from the Hykeham station, or totally do not know. But to know there is another other lights would not keep flashing. Keep crossing clear. That sign's there, so no trespassing as well. See the yellow grid there, so you're not allowed to park on that. You're not allowed to park on it. This crossing's been for a long time. Before we've been here for 3 minutes, but no, we're approaching 5. Four minutes and 52. I'm still waiting. We're waiting for a train. This is not a malfunction. Window for one and not raising. It's not closed. In this video, the hands are only shaking. So let me balance the camera on the dashboard. Right. So you can see there's a little red thing on that pair of lights. That is the Yoda alarm that makes the noise. Makes a siren. 5.5 minutes. If I start the camera, down for more. I'm surprised these lights never burn out. Never. God, there must be something new. Oh God. 5 minutes 50. This is a malfunction of network rail coming now. Nice little cottage across there. Zoom into it. Not even one of them by the railway. 6 minutes and 10. I better wait for another freight or something. Far off. It's 2 minutes and crossing goes down on the amber line until the train comes. So we'll probably wait for another train. This should not extend more than 8 minutes. Shouldn't. This is a little malfunction. Let me just lean back. This will be a shaky view now. All these bikes in the way, which I was expecting to be. Crossing down there is Skellingbolt Road. The nearest crossing down there is Hykeham Station. That's a little crossing map of this area. Doddington Road. This is why drivers are meant to turn their engines off in their vehicles by rides. Because they could, if they're on empty, the tank will empty and they'll run out of petrol. So I recommend engines to be off. Still waiting. Coming up to 8 minutes. 8 minutes. I think network rail needs to be called, but I don't have their number. Stop this recording, the crossing lights raise. Or we'll get another train. Window view, also waiting. Been to this one before. Shows up there, I'm not even forced the lights yet. Now we're getting a bit of sunshine. This was not expected for more than 8 minutes. Coming up to 9. Thank you. You learn to turn your engine off when waiting. Turn that off. Turn that glowing like hell. Back to dashboard. See, they're now turning their engines off because they're bored. And that is now 9 minutes on the clock. And more for the crossing. I have to turn the radio off and start this at the same time because my camera already went off. This will take more than 10 minutes to upload. It will be uploaded today, 27th of July. Let's have a look at the Adidas, which is now working. 20 to 5 in the afternoon. But it's now classifying as evening. 25 in the evening. Here we are. East Midlands train. Hopefully, this will be the last train. Yep. There it goes. I'll turn that on in a minute. And that's it.
You're on the Doddington Road over crossing Lincoln. It's just bloody spooked me, hasn't it? Crikey. Doi! Bootum's just gone down. And I said I'm just going to cross. Got there, off it flipping went. Right, Beans were here, we can look across there. And I ain't been here since July, but bloody hell. No, it just scared me this early in the morning. Fucking heck. I need to really recover before I do the next video. This will possibly be... oh, the Newark from Central in 2 minutes. I don't know. It scared me too early, and that thing is literally out of bouncing control. I ain't coming backwards anyhow. I had to start the video because literally I didn't even want to read the bloody name. Right, we have a duff up there on a delivery service. I think it's DHL, I don't bloody know. There's your sign across there. Better putting it there and here, then you can actually see it, which it obviously says £1,000. Right. If you don't know, guys, the main line's probably shut today as well as Saturday. So we could have HSTs down here at all. We still have to go out the way around the massive corner up there off to Hykeham anyhow. I'm still pretty shaking. Right, I hear something coming from Bootham ends. Something's coming from Bootham here. Yeah, looks like an HST or something. So shut the main line earlier, they. It's now 2 minutes on the clock. Newark's just leaving Central now, 1:15. Dear me. This is even louder than bloody Bootham for once. I think I see something coming from Bootham, I don't know. I can't tell if it's coming from bloody Hykeham. This is the best side to actually get a nice video on, because you focus cam and got lights over there. To that host, which is nice. Yeah, see something smoky down Bootham. I can't sense nothing there. And here we got barrier ZN and ZO again. Weird layout. This camera's not focused at you, so I'll point the flicker over there. It's now 2 minutes and 20 on the clock. So we have to wait an extra 7 minutes like before. Right ho, Bootham's just qualified for its 2 minutes. We've got flip all. Filthy barriers. At least they don't clatter. These are just massive doings. Yeah, clear the track, birdie, please. Got a blackbird sitting on the track just where Bootham's detonator is. That'll probably send Bootham up. Don't know if I'll have time to zoom, but if we look up there you can see Bootham's signal to this crossing. Just up there you can see Bootham's signal to the crossing. And someone's just walked over the crossing. There's no cross by with the signal, there ain't. The only cross by we have up there is Skew Bridge. Now we've qualified for now 3 minutes of being down, which is Bootham's norm. We've got a bus up there also. What are we getting here? Aeroplane! Fucking heck. Right, what we got coming? Nothing and nothing. Bootham is down, still. We got, I can guess, we've probably got 950001 from Central again. Which that was an NR tester in the style of a class 150. So we've got a 150 in ages. Here's one. 153313. Bloody hell, 153313. That's the late Newark. There it goes. And hopefully staying for not spooking me again yet. There it goes, and that's it. Bloody heck. Did you hear that? Literally went, oh! That is one of the worst barriers in Lincoln. Look at it, still bouncing. Bloody hell, we've got another bus, 36116. Only just got from up the road there. And then lights are even brighter. This time it didn't spook me as before, flicking heck. I sensed some things coming from Doddo because I heard a doo-doo 2 minutes ago. Yep, we have something's at the Doddo, it's Bootham in, Bootham's failed. Something's just at Bootham crossing now, it looks like a freighty. Who knows, ain't been here in bloody, like forever. It's the first 2 videos of this crossing in 2013. Last one was bloody over 10 minutes in July of 2012, flip. Yeah, something's Something's up at the thingy. Something's up at Bootham. Bootham's just gone down. Just now. We always go first. Weirdly. Right, Adwick's leaving Central in 4 even. We won't get that because it doesn't pass through here. Good enough, we don't want this thing being done all the time, do we? Have another 10-minute wait, I'm just going to cut the camera. Oh, and I was left the barrier keys here. Left the barrier keys here. Yep, I sense a freighty or something coming from, Bootham. Or is it the 153? I can't bloody tell, to be honest. Can't really bloody tell. No, it's a 153. Newark's back already. And late. Now 2 minutes on the clock. We've got a Scania pulling up there. Nice enough. Ooh, I'm losing my bloody trousers. Right, let's just pass through our signal. Just passing through the Doddo signal now. And here, it's so fast you can hardly get any toots. Right, what do we have in this one livery of the Newark? 153, 311. 153, 311 to Newark, late. I think Bootham's gone up, yes it has, and there we go. And... sit. Do you have the camera ready there, guys? Oh, for Christ's sake. That barrier seriously needs to fix up. I know the rate this thing's scaring me. It doesn't make a change. Let's just see if Bootham's gone down yet. Yeah, Bootham's gone down, signal's just set at that crossing, so yeah, that's cleared up. We are only 21, nothing due till 24, which will be Newark Castle to Central. 156, yeah, hopefully not Stalker here. I'm not able to see that. Yeah, I can tell if Doddo's dome, just Boot Weaver's dome, just look down the line, you got green. Right. If you notice, guys, this has got new crossing pads since I was last up here, which wasn't actually long ago, but hey ho. She's just coming around the Hykeham corner any second now. Speaking of the corner any second now, here she comes, just left Hykeham 21. And what is she? Give me a beforehand too. She is 156401. 156401 to Central, and there it goes, and with several different toots there. That's it. Jesus Lord, right. Bootham's just gone down. I can actually tell, you can see its red signal up there, but that's for 2 Central. We're getting from off to Newark North Gate. And weirdly though, it says here, Westinghouse rail service. Thought they were just for elevators. Seems not. But hey ho. Have some weird things coming around here. What's next? ThyssenKrupp crossings. Bloody hell, I would not go anywhere near them. I would bloody not. Go anywhere near a ThyssenKrupp level crossing. No thank you. And as you can tell, she still has the old bulb lights. Still no LEDs. I don't come here very often because she might be getting an upgrade in, let's say, 3 weeks, and I won't be up here again till at least next month. At some point. I won't point the bloody camera each time I look away, it's in a different position. Right, I say 153 right the way down at Bootham. So she's on her way. 40. And this one's late. Dear me, it says on the boards be here. Goodness sake. It's the Bootham Junction, that's based just between these two crossings, including Secure Bridge. Don't know what's up with them bloody things. Right, yeah, we've got a 153 up there. One five three 383. 153 3832. I'm guessing Newark North Gate. And there it goes. Speedy Gonzalez round Hykeham. Sick. Really? So you treat it crossing, is it? No, it's not. Treat it with respect and weight. Speedy gone slash. Christ's sake. That needs a refit. And desperately. Dear me. This one don't go duh anymore. Just a normal doinger. Christ's sake. They need to fix their issues. And service the Boothams back down again. It says 44 to Newark Castle, turns out to be 46. Because the crossings keep going haywire. Going on the time the train's actually meant to be passing through. Which is a bit wrong. So it should have gone literally as soon as it was leaving Central at about 41. It's always 3 to 4 minutes away. It's before when they were actually going proper Bootham, went exactly 3 minutes and 10 before. About one time I was up there, yeah, I think it was a Sunday, yeah. But obviously Sundays ain't busy. Who cares much about a Sunday? No bugger works on a Sunday, I don't think, anyway, and I hope not. Right, we know what we got anyways, 156401 again. Bootham's got a red source and nothing's passing through from us to there. It's from there to us. And she's just on the line anyhow, so I'm just gonna stand here. Just passing through Bootham now. Says it's our signal, she'll be off up. It's round Hykeham Corner, just up the line there. We'll be off up. Dear. Right, come on, 156. Bootham's gone up. I can see the cars passing by and whatnot. Your Bootham's gone up. Passing our signal now. One 156-401. Back to Newark Castle. Bloody hell, 156-401 to Newark Castle. Luckily it's not stopping at Hykeham. Luckily she ain't. There it goes. And that's it. I just said Bootham's on its way.
And it is.
Oh, they're focusing again due to sunshine. Spazzy camera.
Boing.
Dear me.
Hey, look, that one.
Again, there's 365 showing your hull.
That one's really good.
Yep.
I think it's this one.
I'll have 473 back again. Didn't get it coming forward. Because I didn't even have the camera ready as soon as she went, so I thought, flip this. She's coming at bloody 3 o'clock anyways. So I'll just watch. 33 due here now. Lazy thing. We shouldn't have a signal for 02 Bootham. Nope. We'll have a from. EGR signal should be on there. I'm getting on, mate. After only about a minute of this thing on. 34. I bet she's at the end.
Nope. Nothing.
No. Yes guys, we're on a boiling Friday afternoon. You can't get worse than this.
You're wearing coats.
I'll have to, it's got mainly my cameras and that in.
What the hell?
What? I see it, and someone's taking over the walkover.
Yeah.
Like a divvy plum.
There's a walk over there?
Yeah, I never noticed it. Speed we've got, freight with a 156, I can't bloody tell actually.
That's a 156.
Oh yeah, I can't tell.
Why
Dear.
is there a car go over Bootham?
Obviously not.
There's one that's-
There was a bloody passenger up the line there. In other words, person over. 35, we are a good 2 minutes. Yeah. Let's try our hand at a two-tone again. So I got you one before. I can get you one again.
Nah, I'm not doing it. I'll probably do it for the next one.
Let's see how we do.
22. 473 again.
156473 to Nottingham. 156473 to Nottingham. And there it goes. And
For a few minutes.
at least that's it.
Could this be the 49?
Possibly. We'll see if it comes on Bootham signal in a sec. So far, she hasn't pushed. Let's check Bootham beans are up here. Bootham's still waiting to go because it's still got a van crossing through. I'll wait up here, guys, until Bootham decides to do what it's doing. Bootham's on to nothing.
I think 50's coming from, yeah.
Yeah, but that way, possibly.
And then 49 is.
Because we've gone first, it's to Bootham.
49 is coming.
Still waiting, nothing's on the signal yet.
Everything there.
Anyways, 46, I'm red hot, I'm not gonna bloody move.
Right,
You wouldn't be.
well, you're wearing a coat, so you're at a disadvantage.
Right, signal's on at Bootham, we've got a 49er. And a Scania. Old fashioned. That's after about a minute and a bit of waiting, Bootham's finally set itself. 47. Yes, we should Hill. Boom's just on about 40 seconds there.
355.
What we got?
355. 153.
153, 355 to Central to Peterborough. Bloody heck, 153, 355 to Peterborough. Spooking as bloody heck. We've stopped, we've got the 50. No, we stopped, so we've got the 49 even from Central to Newark. Christ. They leave it till last minute with me, and that is actually quite rude. This train spotters, if the two took the last minute, that is classed as rude. Right, that's it past our update, and it's a way of stopping. Probably double at Bootham, won't it? You see outside Bootham, except that one that's just gone.
Never does that.
No.
That obviously was not stopping Hykeham.
No, there's not even there yet. It's just standing and waiting at bloody honest. Oof. He's got a fence here, stick the bloody arm on it. Who knows? See it?
153 going off into the distance.
Your Bootam's changed its signal to red and we're still waiting for something else back.
So
3 minutes on the clock. Around Hykeham, not stopping anywhere.
So I can have an extra episode.
Yeah. If you want. Oh dear. See you out. Oh, yep, right up Bootham.
156.
Is it? I can't even bloody tell.
Where was that 156?
I know you got a 1-5 Summit. I can't tell, so I'm just going to stand up here.
They don't exist.
They don't. It says they do, they don't bloody come. I know Shane's camera's having a fit.
We're looking at a 153,
1-5
156.
thing.
To me that looks like a 156.
Looks like a 3 to me.
I think that's right.
It's a 3 to me.
Is that Nottingham?
No, Nottingham's already been and gone. We're 50. 4.5. Is this gonna spook? I hope not.
It better not be 319. You're probably wishing it was.
153 381. 153 381 to Newark Northgate, and there it goes, and that's it. I just said Hykham's gone down. Weird. Jesus. Thought they'd have fixed that because this customer was shut one night. Thought they'd have fixed the bloody thing. Appears they've done nothing. I'm gonna fix us off when Hykeham goes. Weird. So it's much. 7 past. This one is usually at Central early, usually 11 past, but it's going to be on time today. This is, yes, the 11:09 service from here to Lincoln Central from Newark Northgate. The same one that departed Central at 10:15. And she's up the line. Righty hoes. Oh wait, she's early. We got 153 374. 153 374 to Central, and there it goes. And spooking me again. That's it. That's got a lot worse. But also so's that barrier over there. Look at that. It's decided to make itself a little tongue, but in white and not pink. But hey ho. This one's been late for like the whole week, to put it precisely. Coming from Bootham, what is she doing? I can't tell if she's done or not. Zoom won't tell me. But yeah, the thing we're doing there is I'll have to use digital zoom there. That red signal you see right down there, that's Booton's from Hykeham signal. Zoom out, I'll give you what I like in a second. Neutralise that, focus, there we go. Oh dear. Look at these old light bulbs. Same as a bloody Dunmer. Cross down and I fixed with it going bang and then a broken barrier. I'm going to zoom out. Can't hold it properly. Righty hose. Booton's gone to an extra long waiting timer to come back up again. Yo there, barrier. Right, she's just right up to line, as I say. We are 50 is Booton's classic 49er anyways. You can be see her down there. All you're seeing is like white and red lights and a bloke with a bike coming over the, well, let's say new footpath going to Ballast Hole, which is buggering off soon. We're now on at least a good 2 minutes, I don't know. Also, it's up for this little wanky barrier over here. Look, if you look closer, she's still bloody bopping around. Like the game of Bop It, where it's constantly jiggling around, pressing some random bloody knobs. I couldn't put that in Pliter either. Shut phone. Couldn't put knobs in the Pliter sense. 153, I think. Oh, can't tell, so all I'm seeing is loads of lights. Yeah, it looks to be a 3. What is she? The 311 to Newark North Gate, and there it goes. And we don't have an extra long time on that boot, and thank God for that. There it goes, and that's it. Look how broke that barrier is. And the final Doddo bang. You saw that in effect, just goes going and then doesn't do it else. But this one's just clicking around like something mad. Anyways, nothing else to be said. I just saw that car didn't really do that roll. Just ran straight across. And also ignore the highway code rule 293 about them hatchies. They're not there for decoration. Oh yes, Booton signal on. Yeah, she is. I totally forgot about that there. You can tell them there it's green. That's just Booton's dome. Obviously. You ready if not? And out. I've got trouble here, so I've got the sunlight right ahead of me. And I've got to try and see a possible 158 around the corner. With the sun in my face, that won't work. You know what, the sky looks bloody white on the camera. Actually looks white, not blue. Weird. Practically 11 past. Come as it feels, it's not usually past till quarter past. At skew anyways. God, it's really sunny. Now if it's time for sunset and the sun decides it's time to just give a final hello. Yeah, more like a final bye-bye. Anyways, let's go on about the sunshine. I'll just see something coming around Hykeham's corner in a second. Speaking about a second, I think I see a 158. Try and zoom away from the sunshine. And they can't get an angle there, guys. Yeah, it's an 8. $158,866. $158,866 to Central, and there it goes. And really bad angle here, could break me back. See.